Hi there guys and gals, good midnight to each every one of you. Take a look at this snail in the middle of the street, roaming around in the middle of midnight. I'm gonna transfer you, snail, to a safer place. Otherwise, you might hit a bump and you're gonna crack, and then you will turn into a crumbled beef, like a pork being grinded, right? So I'll take you in here. Be safe, okay? Snail, guys and gals, once you see a snail or any creatures or any animals, please save them, okay? Bye.